basically way African perspective. These are the players. They are coming out from the pitch. Bagutanel Jengamanje. There is Coach Steve Kompela there. There you can see some of the players as well. There is Coach Steve Mbuyisela Kompela of Mamelodi Sundowns going that side as well. So we are just here with Haneli. Just before Andre de Jong, the man of the match as well, is just coming out here. Congratulations, Andre. Let's take it. Andre de Jong, the man of the match. Atsenko Simtaba here. Atsenko Simtaba, they've won. Doing very well, very well there. There is Kambulapa here, Les Stellenbosch FC. Maroda Ipanis, Sanele Pans, formerly of Richards Bay, Sanele Pans. My brother, congratulations, well done. Mamelodi Sundowns, Jody February. Jody Branditwana. So, Jody. Jody February from Mamelodi Sundowns as well. Yes, Jody February. The ball boys are coming out as well. Players coming out from Thailand. Ball boys as well. Thank you very much, guys. Thank you very much. The ever elegant Carol Shabalala. Hello.